Bib number 21503, Snora Linkhai. First runners-up female is bib number 21467, Rolinda Wanyang. All right, sir. I need to gather those details. I'll gather this. And the winner female is bib number 21405, Menamari Walal.
अरे बोला नंबर से बताइए इसीलिए.
Bring your attention, the paragliding team. In the 21 kilometers event for participants about 50 years, for the male winners, may I request Major General Jai Singh Bansla, Sena Medal, Additional Director General Assam Rifles. Event for participants about 50 years, for the male winners, I request Major General Jai Singh, male is bib number 21358, Jalen Singh Lindo. In the above 50 years category. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jalen Singh is 52 years old. So I expect you to please have a wide clap for him. First runner-up male is bib number 21407, Milan Bhutia. The lady is just a number. He's 54 years old, a diabetic patient. Ladies and gentlemen, there can't be much more motivation than this. Give a big round of applause for the gentleman. Diabetic patient is here, 54 years old, still going strong. Many more years to come for yourself. Alright, so it's reversed his diabetes. That's indeed a great achievement, sir. Bib number 21468, Roman Karbani. 51 years old, gentleman. Going healthy and strong. And I wish him many more marathons like these. For this award, I would like to invite 41 to 50 age category is bib number 21473, Mr. Sai. I repeat, bib number 21473. Bib number 21528, Mr. Tiading. And the winner for the 41 to 50 years male category is Mr. Bharat Bhushan. He clocked the time of 1 hour 12 minutes. Thank you so much, ma'am. 40 age female is bid number 11095 Minarshi.
अच्छा सर 51 कैटेगरी पहले बहुत इन लोगों को ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम में जितना मैंने किया उससे ज़्यादा हम लोगों ने मेहनत किया लास्ट मोमेंट हर एक चीज़ लास्ट मोमेंट
First runners up goes to bid number 10247 Timpui.
सेकंड टाइम है लेकिन इस बार ऑर्गेनाइज करने में हम लोग इस बार ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्वमेंट है लास्ट टाइम तो कम इन्वॉल्वमेंट था इस बार ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्वमेंट
And the winner in this category is Miss Marquinless Ramsey, bid number 1106. लास्ट टाइम मेरे को दिखा एक ही डायरेक्टली विन वाली बात Thank you so much, ma'am. Female is bid number 11383 Vandana. Ladies and gentlemen, please feature a wide applause for the winners. Second runners up, male is bid number 11312 Shiva Kundu. First runners up, female, bid number 21457 Rekha Mani Saikya.
नहीं 21 को लड़की को बुला रहे और ये कर रहे 10 का लड़का बुला रहे
My sister is bid number 11417 Bubbly Verma.
10 का दे रहे ना 10 का है 60,000 और हमारा है
First runners up male is bid number 10423 Anil Pandya.
प्रैक्टिस चाहिए तो
And ladies and gentlemen, overall winner for the 10 kilometers event female is bid number 11415 KM Jyoti.
दे रहे हैं एक लड़की एक लड़का दे रहे हैं
Overall winner for the 10 kilometers event male is bid number 11229 Ravi Chaudhary. Feature a wide clap, ladies and gentlemen.
क्रॉस करते हुए टाइम
टाइमर लगता है ना
आपने तो वाले से बात
Thank you so much, sir. For this, Runners up, female is bid number 21435
आयुष में तो 21
for Nike Bike.
यार वो भी तो जीत के आए थे एक मिनट हाँ हाँ 21
Overall second runners up, male is bid number 21087 Kristajun Pathau.
हमारी 30 20 वाली गई
हाँ इसमें फर्स्ट आया कौन ओपन में ओपन में आया कौन फर्स्ट
Overall first runners up, female is bid number 21457 Rekha Mani Saikya. Overall first runners up, male is bid number 21080 Kailash Chaudhary.
अच्छा रुको लेने मेरे को जाना पड़ता नहीं गाड़ी में
Ladies and gentlemen, the overall winner in the 21-kilometer half marathon female is bid number 21525 Tamsi Singh. She clocked a timing of 1 hour 23 minutes. Feature a big round of applause. An overall winner for the 21-kilometer half marathon male is bid number 21480 Sandeep Devrari. He clocked an outstanding time of 1 hour and 7 minutes.
पहले को देने के बाद तुरंत बाद मेरा नाम बोल देगा वहीं से स्टार्ट कर देना
The individual is from the Indian Army Unit 21 Kamau. 20 Kamau. I apologize. 20 Kamau. This concludes the prize distribution ceremony. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.